It's only been a week. The rush of being home and rapid fading, failing to recall what I was missing all that time in England. Has sent me aimlessly on foot or by the help of transportation to knock on windows where a friend no longer live. I had forgotten. And everywhere I go, there's always something to remind me of another place and time, where love that traveled far had found me. We stayed outside till